Title: Understanding the Impact of Environmental Damage. 6 Key Facts.
1. Ecosystem disruption. Environmental damage disrupts ecosystems,
Leading to loss of biodiversity, degradation of habitats, and imbalance in ecological processes.
This disruption affects the ability of ecosystems to provide essential services, such as clean air, water, and food, which are vital for human well-being and the functioning of the planet. 2. Climate change acceleration. Environmental damage.
Particularly the emission of greenhouse gases from human activities like burning fossil fuels
And deforestation accelerates climate change. This leads to rising global temperatures, melting ice caps,
changing weather patterns, and more frequent and intense natural disasters, such as hurricanes, droughts, and wildfires.
3. Health impacts. Environmental damage has significant impacts on human health.
Air and water pollution, exposure to toxic chemicals, and climate-related disasters contribute to respiratory diseases, cardiovascular problems, infectious diseases, and mental health issues. Vulnerable populations, including children, the elderly, and low-income communities, are often the most affected. 4. Economic costs. The economic costs of environmental damage are substantial. Pollution-related healthcare expenses, loss of productivity due to illness, damage to infrastructure from natural disasters,
and declines in agricultural output all impose financial burdens on societies.
These costs can hinder economic growth, exacerbate poverty, and
strain healthcare systems and social services.
5.
Loss of ecosystem services. Environmental damage diminishes the ability of ecosystems to provide essential services that support human well-being, such as pollination, soil fertility, water purification, and carbon sequestration.
The degradation of these services not only threatens food and water security,
but also undermines the resilience of communities to environmental stresses and disasters.
6.
Social displacement and conflict. Environmental damage can lead to social displacement and conflict,
particularly in vulnerable and resource-dependent communities.
Disasters such as floods, droughts, and sea level rise force people to migrate from their homes, leading to social disruption, loss of livelihoods, and competition over scarce resources. This can exacerbate existing inequalities and tensions, potentially leading to social unrest and conflict.
In summary, environmental damage has far-reaching and multifaceted impacts on ecosystems, human health, economies, and societies. Understanding these impacts is crucial for developing effective strategies to mitigate environmental damage, adapt to its consequences,
and build resilience for a sustainable future.